Well, here we go, folks. I've had a few requests. My opinion on fishing boats or drug boats. Man, I tell you, any fool can see that those are not fishing boats. They are definitely, most likely, drug boats. So what's the opinion about Trump blowing them out of the waters? As ex-law enforcement for many years, we always gave the criminal a chance to surrender first. Well, that's not happening when it comes to blowing those boats out of the water. Whatever happened to using helicopters, snipers, to blow out the motors? Give them a chance to surrender. Show proof that they were actually carrying drugs. I like to say I'm against drug smuggling. I'm against drug dealers or anything else related to it illegally. But not giving them a chance to surrender, not being able to recover those drugs to prove evidence-wise that those boats were carrying drugs. I do have a problem with that. Like I say, I was always trained to give a person a chance to surrender. But I'm not sure what Trump is up to. I know we've had trouble with Venezuela and a few of the South American countries going back many years ago when it involved the IMF, called International Monetary Fund, which loans money to countries. Actually, I call it the Israeli Monetary Fund. But anyway, folks, our history with them goes a long way back when they were trying to form all the Spanish-speaking countries to form their own monetary fund to loan money to their own countries. And believe me, Israel didn't go for that, neither did the United States. So they put them on the bad list, trouble list, and so forth. Just research it. I'm sure you'll find something. But getting back to it, back in my days, if I remember, we shut down boats with helicopters and shooters, knocking out the motors. Anyway, I just can't understand it, folks. I don't totally agree with just blowing people out of the water for no reason, besides they're drug smugglers. You need proof of this. You got to have the evidence before you just start killing people. That part I just cannot understand from the Trump administration, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm living in a different time zone, but what can I say? Anyway, folks, let me hear what you think about it. So far, I know in political circles there's about a 50-50 thing going on. 50% it's right, 50% it's not exactly right. So I like independent, regular people views on this subject. So if you're out there and you want to subscribe to this channel and hear some more of my crap, just let me know what you think and we'll hash it over. All right, folks, have a good day. Wish you the best of luck.